The biggest problem with traditional education system is that there's no reflection. You just go, and then you somehow figure out. I find the learning atmosphere very, very healthy. Personal time with mentors twice in a month. Like, we don't see this in top institutions. Today's class was about decoding that mental model.
We got this problem statement, how to increase the rental sales of a bike.
AI is going to replace bad software engineers. I really think that this is the progressive way to go about modern day education. It cannot be boxed in a setting where you don't have any relation to anything else, or you are just following a very, very linear path. And today's age, especially with AI, it is not going to be possible to frame learning like that.
It is my pleasure to introduce you and welcome Alok Khatri. Please give a huge round of applause to Alok Khatri.
Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me? What are the thoughts that you get in terms of your own skill set? The biggest problem that we see right now is that everyone wants to do AI. I didn't know what to expect. I came here and I was doing the campus tour, and then I was being explained how each block is and what happens at different places. What I got immediately hooked to is that one block that is over there where students have personal time with mentors twice in a month. That is very, very powerful. And I think that is one thing that completely stood out. I find the learning atmosphere very, very healthy. And I think the students that have come here as very, very lucky to have such kind of atmosphere. We don't see this in top institutions, and this is really commendable what is happening.
सेशन बहुत ही इंटरेक्टिव था. हमने बीच में मॉडल्स भी डेवलप करे.
We got to know about the insights that we have to look into when we solve a problem.
एक्चुअली कैसे काम करते हैं के साथ, तो वो भी काफी एक प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन पता लगा है.
Well, it was interesting and, to be honest, a brainstorming one.
Today's class was about decoding that mental model on how we need to think about this technology and how we can actually build that relation with technology.
We got this problem statement, how to increase the rental sales of a bike, and there were some parameters. So it was not like we have to do some sort of data analysis. It was like just use generative AI and get some insights.
It is very easy to distinguish between people who are building something and are engaged in building something and people who are just studying. 95% of the population that I saw here is engaged in building something. That's for sure.
तो कंपेयर करूँ राइट किसी और एक सेशन से और इस सेशन को राइट, तो क्या होता है कि कहीं भी होता है एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट से इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है एंड देन वी डायरेक्टली गेट टू द कोडिंग पार्ट. आज मेरे को क्या सीखने मिला कि rather than focusing on the coding part, एक्चुअली हमें निकालना क्या है, किस बेसिस पे निकालना है, मेरे को वो सीखने मिला.
आज उन सर ने थिंकिंग प्रोसेस पे ज़्यादा जोर दिया. लोगों को थिंक करने का एक ओपन रोड सेक्टर दिया कि हाँ एकदम AI एक्चुअल ऐसे वर्क करती है, प्रेडिक्टिव मॉडल होती है, चैटबॉट्स ऐसे वर्क करती है, और ऑन द स्पॉट उन्होंने बनवाया भी मॉडल्स.
AI is going to replace bad software engineers, and I think that is already visible. So if you are not really, really good at software engineering, AI tools are going to come replace you. If you are a mediocre software engineer, there are going to be limitations, and AI will probably do a better job than you. You won't be able to bring a lot more to the table than what AI can bring in a very, very cheap cost.
तो AI को एज अ टूल अगर आपको लिखना आता है, ऐसे यूज करना आता है, साथ ही साथ आपकी स्किल्स भी कुछ अलग हैं, तो you won't be replaced.
When I asked the instructor about how to really solve the problems, because that was the one thing that really stuck me when he told that try to focus on the problems that you feel are important and then go to the solutions rather than taking the solutions and then working on the problem.
That's where the traditional system and the new system completely contradicts, because in life we are always solving problems, but in the traditional system we are taught and then somehow asked to solve a problem in the end. Doesn't really work that way. So that's something that I find very interesting with students.
जितना ज़्यादा ऐसे नीश टॉपिक से हमें इंट्रोड्यूस कराया जाएगा, उतना बच्चों का एक्चुअली जनरल कंप्यूटर साइंस से इंटरेस्ट और बढ़ेगा. अभी बच्चों को क्या लगता है कि बस कंप्यूटर साइंस इज ऑल अबाउट DSA, वेब डेव एंड दैट्स इट.
What Newton says that it's an industry-led curriculum. People from industry are coming to the college and teaching us. That's sort of an opportunity which you cannot miss.
I think that's a lot of value here.